Oh, I got one. Oh, that's a big chub. Bring him in. Let's go. All right, guys. That's a chub for you right there. People call it a trash fish. I haven't tried them, but I believe it because I've cut one open for shark bait. Ew, it was disgusting, man. It was like pooping everywhere and stuff. The guts stink, but dang, that's a big one. See you, bud. Already getting bites. Got one. Got one. That's another big. Oh, I got a parrotfish. That's not good. Okay, I got a parrotfish, guys. Oh, he's taking me. Oh, no. Oh, he splashed me. Oh, that's a big parrotfish. Oh, my gosh. That is my first time I've ever caught one of these. Oh, my gosh. That's a big one. You're not allowed to eat these. Look at those teeth. Let that guy go. Ooh. Look at that. See you, buddy. All right, guys. We're getting some bites right now. I see all those. Oh, you might have one. I don't know. Let's check. Nope. Oh my God. Got him. Got him. Oh, I hooked him in his big gale. Dang. Transaction. All right, guys. Oh, he's bleeding. All right, guys, I got a bite. It's running. Oh, I got one. Got one. Oh, that's big. Oh, no, it's just another chub. Oh, I'm trying to get it out. Oh, got it. Got it. Another chub, baby. All right. You know what? We're gonna feed it to this pelican. First, get the hook out. Yeah. We don't want to catch the pelican. I think that's a pelican. All right, let's get it. Bro, airball. Completely missed, guys. Okay. All right, guys. I'm giving my cameraman a chance. Basically, you were just switching every time we both catch fish. He's getting bites right now. All right, he's gonna try and set the hook, and he got one. Oh, look at that. All right, bring it in. Guys, I'm letting my cameraman, Miles, he's gonna try and catch some fish. All right, Miles. Just put it right there and they'll come. I just fell in the water though, so it might take a little, but there's a fish. They're all coming. Oh, look at that aquarium fish trying to get it. No, leave the bell. Family friendly! Oh, Miles has got one. Get it. You didn't even try and bother to set the hook. Oh, you got one. You got one? Well, that's a big one. That's a... Sorry for the interruption, guys, but I just want to thank all of you guys for getting me to 60 subscribers. And I had like 35 at first, just from that big grouper that we caught. So, it was just a quick break in the video. All right, guys, I'm just gonna try and cast right under that dock with his head. That was pretty good. And bites. Tell us a fun fact about yourself. Fun fact, man? I don't know, man. All I know is... Oh, I got fish on. Just a little chub. Point it to the camera. Yeah. Like he's jumping. Just got away. I didn't even have to dehook it. Alright, just got like another chunk of its body. Cast right there. Right, we're under the boat. They're all going after it. You could say there's about like 50 this fish. Oh, we got one. Oh, what is that? Oh, another chub. Yep.
Show the camera. Show the camera.
Yep. We got the cameraman right here. Say what's up. Just a little easy catch, you know.